protest, the pictures that are coming in from the Parliament complex says in a short while from now, the Parliament proceedings today will begin, but it is expected that both inside and outside the Parliament, protest on part of the government, protest on part of the opposition is continue over the Ambedkar face-off as far as when it comes to the MPs coming face-to-face, holding placards, the BJP holding protest as well, counter-protest and briefings also being done on part of the Congress party as well. So that is now expected as far as fireworks in the Parliament today also is concerned. BJP says it is mulling legal options to be taken against what they have been calling it as a distorted and manipulation and misrepresentation of facts on over B.R. Ambedkar, the speech that was made by the Union Home Minister in the Rajya Sabha. However, here is on part of the opposition, they are demanding an apology and the resignation of the Union Home Minister as far as the opposition has been raising the issue vociferously. So pictures that are coming in from both ends as far as Union Minister Giriraj Singh, you can see him. The pictures that are also coming in from one of the dwars there of the Parliament complex where the BJP and the leaders that have been protesting. On the other side, you're looking at Congress party holding their protest with the other parties of the India bloc. Let's listen in.
Unprecedented scenes here at the Parliament at Makar Dwar, where the India bloc leaders and the BJP leaders are protesting. A protest versus protest here at Makar Dwar. The issue, B.R. Ambedkar's disrespect. Well, the BJP alleged that Congress party for decades have disrespected B.R. Ambedkar and his legacy. Also going on to say that the three generations of Congress first family failed to give Bharat Ratna, accord Bharat Ratna to B.R. Ambedkar. The Congress, the India bloc leaders led by Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, Supriya Sule, Kani Moy, and Congress President himself, Mallikarjun Kharge, are here. You can see on your screens right now that a united India bloc is protesting as well. And these are the unprecedented scenes that we are seeing here at the entry of Makar Dwar. We spoke to leaders from across the party line, and no one here is ready to back out. There were confrontation between Congress and BJP MPs as well at the Makar.
So minutes from now, we're expecting today's parliamentary proceedings to also begin. And this is what is being expected on part of both sides from the government and on part of the opposition, that they will continue their protest inside the parliament as well. BJP holding protest with placards as can be seen. And the Makar Dwar there, Union Minister Giriraj Singh also holding posters. And on the other side, this is Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra who have been holding similar protests against the government.
इस आग को खड़गे साहब का दमकल बुझा नहीं पाएगा। ये आग पूरे खानदान को भारत रत्न दिया, इसका जवाब देना होगा। पूरे खानदान यही आग को बुझा नहीं पाएंगे खड़गे। खड़गे साहब जो कांग्रेस के दामन में दाग लगा है, नेहरू से लेकर के सोनिया गांधी तक, राहुल गांधी तक, मनमोहन सिंह की सरकार तक, ये मिटने वाला नहीं।
देखिए, संसद में ये जिस तरह से इन्होंने अपमान किया है बाबा साहेब का, उसके बाद आज सुबह आपने देखा इनका ट्विटर हैंडल क्या है। इनके ट्विटर हैंडल पे बाबा साहेब की तस्वीर के साथ उनने खिलवाड़ की है। ये वही सोच है जो बाबा साहेब की जिनकी जो मूर्तियां हैं उसके हाथ पैर काट देते हैं। ये वही सोच है। इन पे कौन भरोसा करेगा? ये कहते हैं आरक्षण को ये ख़त्म नहीं करना चाहते, संविधान को बदलना नहीं चाहते, तो क्या कर रहे हैं? बेसिक रिस्पेक्ट होती है ना, इंग्लिश में कहते हैं बेसिक रिस्पेक्ट। एक आदर जो होना चाहिए वो आदर ही नहीं है। ये संविधान के निर्माता हैं, उनके बारे में आप ऐसा कह रहे हैं।
Well, let's get in a word from Sabyasachi. Sabyasachi, we are waiting actually minutes from now. We are looking at the parliament proceedings to begin, and what happened outside the parliament, is it being expected would be repeated on part of the opposition inside as well?
Well, absolutely right. See, the protest has been going on outside the parliament, and once the house resumes, the protest is going to take place inside the house as well, as the opposition MPs are all prepared to continue their agitation inside the house and demand an apology from Union Home Minister Amit Shah. In fact, several of the MPs have already given an adjournment motion in both the houses for a urgent discussion regarding this matter, and also have demanded an apology from Home Minister Amit Shah in both the houses. In fact, the Trinamool Congress have also moved a privilege motion against Amit Shah in the upper house, and the entire opposition say that we are united in this matter, whether it is the Trinamool Congress, the Samajwadi Party, all of them are saying that we are united in this matter, and we would continue our agitation until and unless Union Home Minister Amit Shah apologize regarding the remarks that he has made against Balasaheb Ambedkar. In fact, the opposition has been maintaining that time.
All right, we are awaiting today's proceedings. More breaking updates that are now coming in, especially when it comes to these protests that has been taking place on both part of the BJP and the opposition as well. Heading into a quick break, back with more on the other side. Stay tuned.